We got some new 70 series product to run through. Let's have a look. Starting from the front, we have our new bottom adjustable GVM front shock absorber. This shock features 20+ stage of adjustment, those cooling grooves, and also an external stone shield. Something to note about this shock absorber as well is a fancy washer down the bottom. Now what this does is it stops that dial from actually rotating. So this dial will always be positioned facing the back of the vehicle, and this washer will actually lock down on that front diff mount. So comparing that shock absorber to the OE, the Outback Armour shock is 65mm twin tube, foam cell, no gas pressure, while the OEM is a twin tube gas pressure. So with that bigger body, you also get cooling advantages, better control. It also is extended. So this shock will allow you more droop, but what limits the droop in this vehicle is that welding cross member. So that front drive shaft will hit the cross member if we do make the shock any longer. It is a heavier valve set over our normal adjustables, so it will be perfect for those GVM upgrades. Another new release is our front extended progressive rate bump stop. So you'll obviously get that contact earlier, you'll benefit from that progressive rate, and then the fully compressed length is also shorter. This is a mandatory component when using this shock absorber because that compressed length is longer than OEM. For a comparison, that's the new Outback Armour one, that's the OEM. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we also now offer 2 additional rear leaf springs. So new to the Outback Armour range is our 250 kilo constant rear load leaf spring and our 800 kilo constant load rear leaf spring. The 800 kilo constant load leaf spring will also be available in both our 3800 and 4200 kilo GVM upgrades. So the 250 leaf spring fills that gap between our trail, which is our 0, and our Expedition, which is that 400 kilos. So having that 250 is a nice medium. Thanks for watching. That's our new product for the 70 series. See you next video.